Okay, so for this trick I need the help of the 4 jacks, and so I'll just be going through the deck and finding the 4 jacks. So the 4 jacks are actually brothers, and there's actually a special thing about them. And the thing is that no matter what the situation, they always stay together and they always look out for each other. Even now, when you can see that they are at different places in the deck, no matter what I do, no matter how hard I try, the moment I put the jacks inside the deck, within a blink of eye, they all come together, right? So that is the basic idea of the trick, okay? So now you can see I have the 4 jacks with me over here, and they're going to basically rob a bank, okay? And let's just assume that this deck of cards, this pack, is the bank, okay? So we have the 4 jacks here with us. Yeah, right? 4 jacks, correct. So we have jack number 1, jack number 2, jack number 3, and then we have the 4th jack. Now the 4th jack is going to stay on the terrace for the lookout of the police, okay? And the other 3 jacks are going to go inside the deck to find that one vault which has all the money. So they are at different places in the bank. They go inside. But as soon as they go inside, the jack on the terrace finds out that the police is approaching the building. And again, all the jack come together, right? So that is the basic idea of the trick. So now before beginning the trick, I would like to shuffle the deck because we are going to pick 12 random cards from the pack, and I can actually let the spectator pick the 12 cards to make everything as random as possible. So since I don't have anyone here with me, I'll just pick 12 random cards, okay? So that's 2, 4, 7, that's 8, sorry. Then we have 11 and 12, okay? So these are 12 random cards picked by our spectators. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, okay? And we have to assume that these 12 cards are the bank in this situation, okay? So we have the 4 jacks with us, jack number 1, jack number 2, jack number 3, and the 4th jack, which is a jack of spades, right? So I'm just going to take these 4 jacks and I want to set them down right over there. And you remember we picked 12 cards, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, okay? Now I'm going to shuffle these 12 cards. It doesn't matter because they're already random cards which were picked by the spectator, but still we can shuffle them once more, okay? So now what's going to happen is that since there are 12 parts, I'm going to make 4 equal piles. So I'm going to make a pile with the first 3 cards, which I'm going to keep right over there, just like so. Then the next 3 cards, the next 3 cards, and the last 3 cards, okay? So now we have the 4 jacks with us here in the center. So we have the first jack here, as you can see, which is going to go in this packet. Then we have the second jack, which is going to go in this packet. Then we have this jack again, which is going to go in this packet, and then we have the last jack, which is going to go right over here. So these 4 things are the 4 vaults in a bank. So the first jack grabs as much money as he can, the second does the same, the third does the same. The fourth one, he doesn't grab any money because he notices something weird, because you'll see that all the other 3 vaults in which the jacks went in, they have just disappeared out of nowhere. And again, I told you that the jacks have a special bond and they come together once more. So that was the trick, my friends, and I really hope that you like this one. So please subscribe and like. And thank you, and see you again for the next video.